on the show today.
We got some snorkels to show you. We have a size small and medium and also a size large and extra large. We're going to be answering some questions you might have on this product. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and of course we're going to take it out and test it out on the water. Should be an exciting show for you. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's do a quick unboxing on these snorkels. These are really cool snorkels here. And right now, Lucas has this is the large and extra large, so that would probably be for me. I got a pretty good size noggin, so we're gonna see if it fits really well. And Lucas right here has the small and medium. So right away, I love this little carrying case.
Because the water can go right through it.
Exactly, that's pretty cool. And it has a nice carrying handle on it. And I've never used these type of snorkels before. I've always used the old-fashioned type that you got the mask and then you're breathing through the tube. And this one has everything included. And right now, Lucas is also unpackaging some earplugs. So they even included earplugs for you when you're out there swimming. So that's kind of a cool added feature. I've never seen that added to a package. So you lift the tube up to the end, just like this, and then you push down to the lowest end and make sure the tube is completely closed. So I'm gonna make sure, push that down a little bit, and boom. I like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fit this on Lucas. Lucas, how old are you?
6.
6. So we're gonna see if this works with a 6-year-old. And then after you put this on, you're going to tighten the straps on the side.
I can breathe.
Can you breathe?
Yes.
And does it fit you?
Yes. Stay.
Looks like a nice tight fit. And of course, we're gonna try this out on the river today. We're gonna go out and test these masks. The thing I like also about these masks is that you can attach a GoPro camera to the top right here. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I like that these come in different colors. Lucas has the black one and I have a nice bright colored blue. So once you get used to setting these up, they're really fast to put on. I'm gonna put mine on right now, and I have a really big head, so I'm curious to see how that's going to feel.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. I can see.
Yeah, these are working out great. I gotta take off the sticky part up here.
Yeah. It's good. I like it.
Yeah. Don't forget to take the sticky part off. This feels great.
Yeah.
I love the feel around here.
I can also hear you.
You can hear me okay?
Yeah, from here.
Oh, these are awesome.
Yeah.
This felt really good. It felt really good around the side. I was able to breathe. So the next thing is we're going to be testing these out on the river. All right, let's go do it. I had a lot of fun using this today. It is so cool. The thing about this is that it is different than your traditional type of snorkel. Your traditional snorkel has a mask that goes right here, covers your eyes, and then you have your tube. So if you ever get water in that tube, you either blow it out or just remove the tube. This is a little different. So it's going to be strapped here. So if you ever get water in this, you're going to have to take this off. Now, I'm okay doing that as long as I'm, swimming along the surface of the water, but I do not recommend this for kids, for children. And that's my own fatherly advice. So I don't think they could react fast enough. And you can do your own research on this compared to the traditional type of snorkels. But for this, for being portable, for having everything you need, I can fold this down and I can stick it in the boat or in the back of the car. As long as I'm swimming along the surface of the water, I love it. And it's not designed for diving. Okay, so it's only for when you're on the surface of the water and you're looking down. And I love it. I mean, you're able to see a world underneath the water. You see the fish, the sand, shells, and these come in 2 different colors. It has the blue one and the black one. They also come in 2 different sizes. You have your small and your medium, and your large and your extra large. And when you're done using these at the end of the day, like I said, all you do is pop this out, fold it down, and they have a cool carrying case. Place that right in here and then put that in your boat or in the back of the car, and boom, you're ready for your next underwater adventure. So remember, make sure you're always wearing a life vest, you're swimming with a friend, and you're not diving with this, and then I think you'll have a fun time. So I'm going to be using this a lot this summer. Hey, make sure you take a chance and look at all my other videos on here. Please subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios! Bye-bye.